Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whispers, we got to talk about Friday's whispers. So Friday had quite a few stocks on my watch list. Was following those pre-market prints. The first stock I was watching, UBS. There was a nice print on it at 1656. So waiting for this guy to rock and roll, really didn't make a big move until later on in the day. So did not take this trade, but HSBC was phenomenal. It's had a fantastic print at 34.88. Told you to watch the 35 level. If it could break above that, a lot of room to run, and it did run about a good 40 cents almost. Also, really liked Vodafone. We spotted that print at 31.49 area. Told you I was bullish above 31.50. And Foxy Roxy rocked this thing all day long. And look at this run it had all the way to 32.25. That was fantastic. Also told you to watch Bank of America. Remember we spotted those big prints at a 13.50, right? So I was bullish above, but watch this 13.75 area. In the afternoon, she finally made that run up through it and went all the way to $14.14. There were some end of the day prints there, so it looks like the big boys were selling. Use it as a marker. If she could break above 14, I would say 20 area, there'd be more room to run on that. But again, not looking so fantastic this morning. Oh, also, really loved you guys on Friday and loved it above 212. Right, this thing ran right to the next resistance level, 225, which leads me to the trader of the day, Lillian, aka, we call her the swiper. She's no longer a newbie after she swiped the swinging challenge in boot camp, and she rocked it on you guys. Fantastic swinging. You know what? We nicknamed you the swiper, Lillian, because you swiped that challenge, and you were trader of the day twice in 1 week. So fantastic trading. All right. So what are we watching today? I'm really not loving the price action this morning. Definitely watching the oil. USO, I told you to watch this one on Friday. Told you 10 is really the big level. Look at these trend lines I had drawn last week. And you can see that USO really found resistance here. She really has to break above 10 to have a bigger run and is coming down now. So bearish on this guy today. I spotted a lot of price action selling around this 940 level. 937. So going to be bearish below that, but also watch the 925. There's support here. Okay, if she breaks down below that, a lot of room to run on the downside. Also have my eye on a couple of ETFs here. The EWT, which is the Taiwan ETF. There's a nice 200,000 share dark pool print coming in this morning at 1236. So I'm going to be bearish above 1240. Give it a little bit of room, and going to be bullish above that, and bearish below the print. We'll say about the 1230 area. All right, so watch those two levels. Also spotting a nice print on India ETF, EPI at 1844. So again, I'm going to go up a level, be bullish above 1850. And I'm going to be bearish below 1840. A lot of times we don't know if the big guys are buying or selling, but use it as a marker. Also the SPY, all right, cousin it added up all those prints at the end of the day. You saw millions and millions. People were tweeting me like crazy. Came out to, 35 million shares traded at the end of the day on the SPY. At this 193.87 level. You can see we are below that. So bearish below. If we break above 194, you guys, very bullish. So watch that level. But remember the old print levels. We had 190.50 and 189.19 on the downside. So not too much in between there. But before I go, I want to let you guys know that it is Cyber Monday, right? We always have a special going on. Today's special is my boot camp class coming up in April. This is a one-day offer. There's only 11 seats available. We just sold one for a 2-week class. This is an online class, 5 hours a day, the most intense class that I do. And for one day only, we're offering 50% off on this class. Normally $24.99. Today only $12.49. If you only want to do 1 week of day trading or 1 week of swing trading, we're going to give you a 40% off coupon code today. Only sign up for that. So come watch me trade along with my fantastic traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.